Hi guys and welcome back. Just want to give a quick update on my Robinhood account. It's been a very rough week, and as traders and investors, sometimes we get caught in a stock that we can't let go. Has that ever happened to you? Or an option play that we just keep averaging down? That's happened to me several times already, and it's happened this past week. So I'll go ahead and share that with you guys. But before I continue, just want to let you know that I am not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes only. So as you can see, if we take a look at the 1 week, I was down $12,000. I did lose $12,000 on some options that I shouldn't have got into. I went against my rules and I lost a good amount of money. Now, my 1 year is down to 26%, which is still okay. I'm still positive for the year, and all-time high, I'm still positive. So at least I'm green. But it sucks to see your account value go down because of some mistakes that we couldn't control sometimes. And we're all humans, so we do make mistakes, and it happens. And it's also disappointing to know that I was invested in Doge. Back in December, I sold all my Doge. It was 127,000 Doge coins at the time. And it was only $500. That $500 would have been at least 90,000 today because Doge is up 0.72. So that's very frustrating for me to know that I sold because I was impatient. But we move on. So we'll go ahead and look at my positions now. I have options. These are cash secure puts that I've sold, and I've been rolling them over because they've been breached, meaning that the stock price is now below the strike price, which is fine. I don't mind holding it. And then my stocks I have here, Genius, BlackBerry, Cent. Nokia was doing well, so I sold some Nokia options that I got rid of. I had leap calls on them. I sold them. And I got rid of my AMC leap calls, and that was mistake number one, getting rid of my AMC because I had to use that money to average down on Amazon options. If you take a look at Amazon was down. I went a little bit crazy here and I just kept buying. We can see here May 7th, I just bought a bunch of options. These are weekly options that expire May 14th. So the longer that you hold these weekly options, the more value they lose every minute of the day. I just kept buying them, and I have to admit, I was on tilt at the time. I was so angry at myself for first getting into Amazon, knowing that I lost a great amount of money on Amazon before, and I was just trying to recover. But we can't have that mentality when we're traders. But things happen, and I was down. I'll show you a screenshot. This is the screenshot that I took, and I bought so many options that my options, we can see, it was 61. It expired May 14. And at the time, when I took the screenshot, I was down 8,000. So by the end of the day, Amazon went down to 10,000. I sold it. I sold all my options because if I had held it, I would have lost everything in here, which was about $14,000 more. We can see that the equity is 14,000. Because there's just no time. And I knew that in my head. And I just hoping that Amazon would pop at least 30 points, but it didn't. And NASDAQ, it was up 100 points on Friday. All futures were up, but Amazon was down. It was such a big disappointment to me. And I knew it because this happened numerous times in the past. It's happened last time when I held onto options after earnings. It dropped like a rock. And I just thought that I can quickly get some money back, but it doesn't work like that. We cannot predict how the market performs short term. That's why weekly options or short term option plays are very risky, and I knew it. That's why I try to stick to selling options instead of buying options, because in the long term, we cannot win. Maybe once in a while we hit home runs with options. This was frustrating to Monday too. I bought one call option, a weekly call option, and it just spiraled down. My plan now is to just really stay away from buying options. Why stay away? Because we're paying a premium to someone, an option seller. The option sellers will win 90% of the time because options lose value quickly and most expire worthless. So just be careful next time when you're buying weekly options. And you don't want to end up like this, 27% down for the week. And it's hurting my accounts. I'm not going to lie. It's been a rough year so far. A lot of main stocks are down. You know, we have BNGO, we have Dimension, we have Palantir, we have NEO, even Tesla is down. So a lot of stuff are down. A lot of people not putting money into the stock market right now. They're all moving to the cryptocurrency side. And I don't know much about currency. I'm learning about it now. I will just do what I do best, which is selling options. Options is a slow but consistent ride. And that's what I need to do, is do that. I don't want to see this again. Down 27%, down 29%, 10%, 3 months. I don't want to see this again. And I know it's going to take a while to get that money back. It's very hard to recover money. It's very easy to lose money. So mistake number one was obviously first getting into the play knowing that it was 100% risk. Secondly, I didn't put a stop loss. Third, I let my emotions take the best of me. So that's all I wanted to share, was this experience, this horrific experience, a really rough week for me. And I'm still holding on to, BlackBerry stocks, but I did sell my AMC shares, which I had about 200 shares, and then my AMC lead calls, I was up about, $1,200. And I'll probably get back in. Do want to own AMC. So that's pretty much it. How are you guys doing this week? How are you guys doing this year so far? Let me know in the comments down below, and hope to see you guys in the next one.